When I first heard about this training, presentation skill, the first thing which came to my mind was I need to learn some technical aspect of presentation, because the presentation PPT is the first thing which came with the word presentation with us who basically works in organizations. So I thought, okay, let me learn some technical aspect of this training, and probably we will be able to present things in a better technical way which will be visible to everybody, and will be visible in more than what we are doing currently. But when we first came here, when we met everybody, we got to know that the entire presentation is not only about the technical part of it. The 70-80% of the presentation skills actually required your presentation skill, how you present the thing and how much you are presentable. So one should be presentable at every aspect of life is the thing which everybody knows from his experience, his life, but to make one aware of this fact is something which we learnt in between. At least the awareness has come now, and with this thought, the entire training objective has got a imbible impact on me, and as and when we progress towards the second day of this presentation, everyone has experienced that change within yourself. At least I am feeling I am getting that change, and I am finding myself more aware on the presentation skill. Wherever I am, whether I am on phone, whether I am meeting with the friend whom I meet every day, where I am meeting with my team or my superior, now I am more aware and more conscious on the fact that I have to be present, how I stand, how I am reflecting my arena, and how I am creating that aura that have probably it is coming within the inside. So and definitely it will not come in a day or two, but one has to be on the toe to learn these aspects. And as the old saying that practice makes a man perfect, I guess it will definitely come to one day, provided we will be always on a way to it. So this is the best time. I think we need to put our best foot forward to attain this one aspect of your life which is very important, very crucial in your personal life, in your professional life. So this is one aspect of the training. The second aspect of the training is the technical part. The technical part which contains the shaping of the speech, how we start, how we stress, what is modulation, what is articulation, how we control our pace, take a pause. Probably I am trying my level best to control all these aspects, but still it will take time, but somebody has to be there, which I feel that somebody has to be there to correct you most of the time, and that will definitely add to your existing knowledge. But I will try my level best to keep on learning on these things, these aspects, the speaking aspect, the stress aspect, the emphasis on the correct word, correct line, where to take a pause, that modulation which will eventually impact your personality, overall, the way you carry yourself. All these aspects are which we covered in between these 2 days. And when I heard that we will be going to be recorded on camera, and so I was more conscious. At the same time, I'm feeling that heightened things inside me. But yes, it's a great experience to learn on these aspects. Probably the day when it progress, we'll learn more aspect of these things. Thank you so much.